Hi, welcome back to the Love Luxury YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be telling you my top 3 bags of all time. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like and comment. Hi, welcome back to the Love Luxury YouTube channel. I'm Emily Abraham and my team have asked me to do a video on the top 3 bags that I would love to have. And I really struggled to do this one, I'm not going to lie. There are so many bags to choose from. All of my top 3 bags are Hermes bags, and 2 of them I've never actually seen in the flesh. So I'm a very tactile person and I absolutely adore textures. So my top 2 bags are actually suede bags, and you do not see them very often on the market, and the ones you do see come with a very hefty price tag. And actually at Love Luxury we haven't yet come across any suede Hermes bags, and it's actually called Dobli, if I'm pronouncing it correctly. So yeah, it's just not a bag leather that we've had come into store. So I lust after them via the internet, and they really are beautiful bags. The texture on the colour with the craftsmanship that Hermes produced just gives you such an amazing bag. So my number 1 bag that I would really love to own that I don't own is an Hermes Birkin 25 in Dobli with gold hardware, and it would be black. So it would be black suede with gold hardware, and for me that would be a bag that I would carry every day. It's a small size, but it's a very efficient bag that carries quite a lot, and for me the black colorway with the gold hardware is very chic and classic, and it's actually a colorway that I wear quite often. So my second bag of preference would be the Hermes pochette, the Kelly pochette. Now this is very similar to the mini Kelly in the market to an extent. It is bigger, it carries more, it has a flatter handle, and you don't have the option to put a crossbody strap on it. I think the Kelly pochette in the Dobli leather in a neutral shade such as Taupe or Beton even perhaps with gold hardware would be my number 2, simply because I would be able to use the black during the day and then the lighter neutral shade at night time, or I could carry that equally more casually during the day. So my number 3 bag I would say is purely investment purposes only, and I wouldn't be able to choose between the 2, so it's actually 3 and 4, and that would be a Birkin 25 or a Kelly 25 in Himalayan. And I think that we're now in October of 2022, and it was blasted across the news at the end of last month how Sotheby's in France actually reached a new record-breaking price for an Hermes bag at their auction of, I believe it was over and close to 352,000 euros for a Kelly 25 in the Himalaya leather. And these bags are so few, so far between. They are literally the elite of Hermes bags, and for that reason they would be in my absolute top 3, and purely for investment purposes I would be petrified of damaging this bag whilst carrying. So for me it would be a sit on the shelf and admire and take out for very special occasions when I know it's not going to rain, when I know nobody's going to spill any drink on it, or when I'm not going to cause it any damage whatsoever. This is really the creme de la creme of Hermes bags. So I've come to the end. It's a nice short and sweet video for you today. I hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like and comment.